Help golfers improve their game. We've worked with the NFL, the NBA. We were working with Jerry Colangelo of the Phoenix Suns, and I was so involved in trying to help him, and he got so excited about our work and saw the truth of it with the players they were recruiting, and all this stuff was just looking so great.
What she brought to the table was two things that we could never do. We can't make an incision in the forehead, and we can't make an incision over the heart to really see what's inside that person.
Jerry wanted me to help him with some other recruits that were coming up. And one of them wasn't available during the regular season and the regular time, and it ended up being, as this guy was flying, I don't know, I think he was coming back from Europe. He was in the Olympics team, and he was flying back, and we were asked to give this guy the Colby when he was at the airport.
I was kind of nervous taking it because I didn't know if I was giving her the right answer or the wrong answer, but I think everything worked out.
There are no right answers. Colby's test simply shows whether a person is primarily one of four types: a quick start, who is a risk taker, a fact finder, who plays the percentages, a follow-through, who sticks to the game plan, or an implementer, who is instinctive and physical.
My husband read him the questions, and the next day, Dan Marley became a Phoenix Sun.
When Dan Marley of the Phoenix Suns hurdles through the air and slam dunks, one fan may cheer a little louder than most. Her name is Kathy Colby, and she is cheering for Marley's jam and her own judgment. 2 years ago, she advised the Suns to draft the little-known Marley.
When we recommend Marley, we didn't just recommend Marley. We said, take him.
His scores were exactly what they needed, and we kept saying, take him.
She'd never seen Dan Marley play, had no idea if he was left-handed, right-handed, tall or short, or anything about him, but she evaluated his test and said, this guy has heart, and he'll be a great player if he has any skill at all. And he's been exactly what she said he would be, the toughest guy on the floor every night he goes out there.
The whole key to team building is to find people with the right conative mix so that they create a synergy between them.
It was just so much fun because we were live, real time, telling him by phone, take Dan Marley. He's got the right MO for this team. We need him. And he surely was what we needed. He was so much fun to watch.
2 years ago, the Suns were one of the worst teams in the NBA. Now, they are one of the best. Clearly, Kathy Colby has given them a hand. Dick Schaap, ABC News, Phoenix.
I'd gotten to know Jerry Colangelo